Astoria Culinary and Hospitality Institute was introduced by us. Jose Rizal Memorial State University has been a partner of ACHI for more or less 14 years.
I would say that it was ecstatic because I enjoyed the experience and I met a lot of friends and gained a lot of knowledge, ma'am.
Binigay sa akin yung full potential ko eh. Nag-growth po talaga ako dito. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila po, wala po ako sa kinalalagyan ko ngayon.
The most valuable skills that I've gained in terms of training here in Astoria is my communication skills. I was able to level up my communication skills and I was able to communicate efficiently with guests and other peoples.
Aside from financial limitations, isa po talaga sa na-encounter ko that time is yung being shy because I am an introvert person po. And actually, ACHI helps me to overcome with it po.
My message would be they are on the right path na piliin si Astoria ACHI as their training center kasi Astoria ACHI will give you more knowledgeable things but at the same time, mag-enjoy din naman sila dito.
So sa Astoria ACHI team, thank you so much po talaga. Dahil sa inyo po, nag-give ko po yung best ko. Not only my work, dahil sa inyo po is na-enhance po yung skills ko, yung knowledge ko. Kaya sobrang papasalamat ko po sa inyo, sa buong Astoria team. Maraming salamat po.